Welcome to Incredible App channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to active vibration in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to sounds and vibration option. Now from here scroll down again and then go to system vibration option, and that's it. Now from here to active vibration you have to enable all the option. Here you can see touch vibration, dialing keypad vibration, Samsung keyboard vibration, charging vibration and navigation gesture vibration. And you have to enable all the option from here by tapping here, and it's enabled successfully. Now if you go back and then go to call vibration option, you can see in my phone call vibration is silent. You have to enable this option from here. You can see so many options. Just select any option and it's done. And notification vibration is already enabled, and that way you can active all the vibration in your phone. And that is how you can active vibration in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.